Hey everyone, this is Vatsala. Welcome back to my channel. For anyone who's new, I am Vatsala. I am an intuitive and certified tarot card and oracle card reader. I am a numerologist. I am a Reiki healer, a yoga enthusiast, and I practice meditation. I've been doing meditation for last 15 years, and many of you don't know that I've also worked in the corporate in retail sector for about 18 years, and now I am on my spiritual journey. Okay, that's enough about me. Our today's topic. Okay, our today's topic is who is coming next towards you. So let's see who is coming next towards you without further delay. And let me tell you that this is a general reading. It's for a collective. It will not resonate with everyone. So if you want a reading for a specific question or your specific problem, you can DM me or you can WhatsApp me. I will give my details in the description. Okay, so let's start. Who is coming towards you? Who and what is coming towards you next? I have productivity. I have determination. Okay, and I have introspection and dreams in reverse. For some of you, this is a person coming from the past, okay? Not for all of you, but for some of you, you have had a past with this person, and they are working on themselves very hard. They're very hardworking, and they're really working on themselves so that they're really manifesting abundance in their life, because in the past they feel that their dreams were not fulfilled, and they're working hard to fulfill their dreams. They're very determined for success in their life. They're very determined to work on themselves, and this has come after a period of introspection. So this card is telling me that you might have known them before, because they've had a period of introspection where they are realizing that they need to work on themselves if they want things to move forward. I'm going to take some more oracle cards. Okay, so why the productivity? So this is the Archer, okay, and it says bring your time planning ahead, communication and confidence. Oh, so you could be in, like I said, that I sense that you've known this person before, and you could be in separation from this person, because they are planning and they are working hard so that they can come towards you ASAP. They feel that a lot of time has been lost. They're planning for the future. They're building a future for you, and they are working on their confidence so that they could come towards you. This is coming in every reading. Okay, I want to know, you guys, like, what's really happening, because this is coming in every reading. Determination, the tailor, attention to detail, and pride. They are so this card is coming for determination. So that means that they are right now, the way they're working, okay, the way they're working, they're giving attention to every detail. They're determined to come towards you. Whatever loopholes you've had in the past, okay, whatever has not worked for you guys, they are kind of working on that. They're letting go of anything that was not working. They're seeing that what is it that could hurt you. They are cutting that off from their life, and they're weaving a new life for themselves which is more aligned with you, okay, because you are their muse. You have inspired them to go through this transformation process. Okay, what is this introspection? The puppeteer, explanations and apologies. Okay, this myth, overthinking and taking action. Yes. Okay, and I was getting this energy with this card. Like I said, that I know that this person knows you. Okay, so they are working on themselves. They are introspecting that how they can explain what happened to you, how they can come forward and apologize and let you know what's really going on in their life, and why is this distance between you two, why things did not work out. um, they are really overthinking this, that how, what actions can they take to come towards you, and what is it that they need to do to come towards you. Okay, so this is confirmed what I said at the first thing, the when the card came out. Oh my god, I'm not able to communicate. I think they're really not able to communicate with you right now. This was coming in last week's reading as well, and I'm sure for most of my collective who are in separation, they're having an issue in communication. There's lack of communication. Okay, yes. Apocalypsis. Okay, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, but I know the energy of this card. This is somebody who, this card reminds me of Tower moment. This is somebody who's really struggling right now, who is really facing their shadows. They're really working on themselves. They're working on inner self. Okay, and I want to read this. I am kind of intuitively guided to read this. I'm going to take this out till the time I'm going to tell you what I'm intuitively getting from this card. So this is somebody who's watching you. This is somebody who's in a lot of pain and a lot of nonsense in their life right now. I'm not getting the right word, but a lot of turmoil in their life right now. And they're still watching you. They're kind of working on themselves. They're kind of working on their environment, and that's why they need the strength. That's why they're the productivity and the archer. They're really working on all the things that are not serving you, and they're cutting those off. They could be going through a lot right now. Very unstable energy, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, financially, physically. Like, they're just struggling in every way, but they're just hoping and they're watching for you. Okay, you are their only hope, is what I'm hearing. And it's taking me so much time to take this card out. This tells me that a lot of time has passed by, and there's no solution to the problems that you had. Oh my god, I'm getting so many downloads for this, and I'm not able to find the card. Okay, so this also tells me the frustration that they're going through, that they're really trying to find answers, they're really trying to find solutions, but they're not able to find that. Okay, that's the message that I am getting. I'm also getting that it's a very heavy download that I'm getting, that they're really longing for you. This person is really, really, really longing for you. Like, if it was up to them, they would just be with you. Yes, I found it. I think, yeah. Okay, so the unknown becomes known and guides the way. Okay, so apocalypse indicates particularly a painful time, one that unfolds when two dynamics occur simultaneously. So there's a lot push and pull going on. They're going through a very painful time, pulling the psyche in seemingly opposite directions. The first is a lifting of the veil. This means truths that have been kept in the dark are revealed, seen and unheard. No matter how revealing it is to witness them come into the light, an element of despair and grief follows. The second dynamic is the regeneration that comes from the wreckage of revealed truth. The old narrative breaks, a new story forms. This is similar to a forest fires, devastation for the sake of regeneration. The whale lives, we see who and what has been hiding it from. So I think in their own life also they are kind of seeing the truth of the matter. A lot is being destroyed so that the new can build. Like I said, it's a tower energy, tower card energy in tarot, where they are seeing the truth of things and maybe truth about themselves also. There are a lot of things that they need to work on, a lot of darkness, shadows that they need to work on. Okay, I'm gonna move ahead from this card. This card is still giving me so many messages, but I wanna. It's a very heavy energy. The poet. Yeah, somebody wants to communicate. The mountain. They want to communicate, and they're finding it really hard to stay away from you. They are going through a lot. And they want to talk to you about it. The storm. I think this guy, this person, the one. They know that you're the one. Okay, and it's they know that you have a soul bond, is what I'm hearing. They are seeing how they're actually coming to realization, and they're seeing, like, because I'm saying they're seeing something, they're realizing that how important your relationship is, and how they've not been right to this relationship because of their own personal issues. It's not like they didn't want to give to this relationship, and they're working on their personal issues. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take some lighter cards now because it's a very heavy download for me. So who is coming towards my collective? The world, Ace of Wands, Two of Wands, Three of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. Okay, so this is something, and this is confirming what I said, and I'm going to say it. I'm going to start with Four of Wands, 11. Yes, they feel that you're their soulmate. They feel that this relationship is spiritually connected, and they always find their way towards you. This also shows that they want to come and meet you and spend time with you. This is also a celebration card. This is also a soulmate card. Like, they do want to end up with you, is what I'm hearing, and take as it resonates, but this is what I'm hearing very loud and clear. They want to end certain cycles in their life, and probably these are the kind of cycles, this is the kind of darkness they want to end before they can have a new start with you. And they're planning a future with you, period. Like, this is what the guides are telling me, and this is what the divine is telling me, and they're like, yes, this is what you need to know right now. Okay, I'm gonna take some Oracle Gateway Oracle cards for you. Okay, what else does my collective needs to know about who is coming towards them? Launching your journey. Okay, this could be somebody who loves and renewing their life, who's starting a new, could be starting a new business, new job, and they could also be letting go of certain addictions that they have, because I also sense addiction here. Okay, mending bridges. So they want to launch a new journey with you. Okay, they want to go on a journey with you, maybe take a trip with you, and they want to mend the bridges. They want to mend anything that has gone wrong in the past. Okay, embracing the future, and they're planning a future with you. They want to communicate with you. They want to tell you how are they feeling, and making a difference. They want to make a difference in your life. They want to provide for you, stepping into stillness. Moon could be very important to you guys for some reason. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's take some angel guidance. So what guidance do you have for my collective? What guidance do you have for my collective? No card games. If you guys are overthinking, overstressing, no, you don't need to wait. Okay, wait for divine timing, for things to improve in your relationship. Be assertive. Be assertive and ask help from others. Keep working on yourself, okay? And ask help when you need. Don't do everything alone, okay? Big happy changes are coming. And again, no, there are people, you don't have to go through it again. There are people who are going to help you through it, and the situation will improve. Again, ask help from others, okay? I think you're doing everything alone, and that's not going to work for you. You need to meet people, take help from people, take advice from people. Let's take some channel messages and some love messages, and then we will close the reading. Okay. I'm healing right now. Yes, yes. Like I said, they're working on their healing. They're working on themselves. I will give you clarity. Okay. If you are confused where this is going, like I said, I sensed it's not a new person. Okay. If you waiting for a new person to come to your life, this is not your reading, because every card has shown me there's somebody from the past coming in. If you don't like somebody from the past coming in, you don't have to let them in. But I'm just telling you what is it that they're feeling. Okay. Let go of the past and start afresh. This confirms what I've been telling you, okay? You are my soulmate and you mean the world to me, okay? So this confirms everything that I was kind of saying till now, and all the cards, all the decks, everything is just confirming that. So yeah, that's all you need to know right now. And one last message for you. Look deep in your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is deep as ocean. You can take a screenshot if you want to. Okay, so they want to let you know that they do love you no matter the distance. I am hearing Backstreet Boys song, No Matter the Distance. I want you to know that deep down inside of me, you are my fire, okay? So listen to this song. This is Backstreet Boys. You are my fire. I think that kind of a song. So you can, I'm not a great singer, but yeah, you can listen to it, okay? Passion. I spoke about the passion, okay? They feel a lot of passion towards you. They feel very powerful around you, and yeah, that's it. So guys, don't be sad, and things are going to be okay, and you just need to wait and keep working on yourself so that your person can work on themselves and your energy, and enjoy the separation as much as you can, and meet new people. You can make new friends. I mean, if you don't want to date anyone, it's not always about dating, right? And have a great day. Let me know in the comments below if this resonates. I will see you next reading. Bye. Sending you love and positivity.